Being a busy mom often means sacrificing personal time, including hair care. However, there are simple tips and tricks that can help keep your hair looking healthy and beautiful even with a hectic schedule. Here are some excellent hair care tips for busy moms. 1. Nourish your hair. Use a hair oil that addresses your specific concerns and apply it 30 minutes to 1 hour before washing your hair. Massage your scalp to stimulate the hair follicles. Avoid overnight oiling as it can be difficult to wash out. 2. Don't wash your hair daily. Washing your hair every day consumes a lot of time and strips away natural oils. Instead, wash your hair every 2 to 3 days. Also, rinse your hair with cold water as a final step to seal the cuticles and achieve soft and shiny hair. 3. Be gentle with wet hair. Avoid rough towel drying or brushing your hair when it's wet, as this can cause breakage and damage. Instead, pat your hair dry with an absorbent towel and let it air dry. Use a detangling brush to remove any knots or tangles, starting from the ends. 4. Limit the use of hot styling tools. When necessary, use a hairdryer on the lowest or coldest setting when your hair is 70% dry. Reserve curling irons or straighteners for special occasions. Consider trying heatless overnight techniques for curls, following tutorials available on YouTube. 5. Protect your hair from the sun. Like your skin, your hair also needs protection from the sun. Wear a hat or use head coverings to shield your hair from harmful rays. This also protects your scalp from dust. 6. Master protective hairstyles. Opt for simple and safe hairstyles like a low bun, ponytail, or braid to protect your hair. These styles are convenient if you have small kids who tend to pull your hair. Use dry shampoo as a quick fix to absorb excess oil and add texture to your hair, but limit its use. 7. Schedule regular trims. Get a haircut every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain healthy hair and prevent split ends, which can detract from your hair's appearance. 8. Maintain a healthy diet. Consume a nutritious and well-balanced diet. Include fresh seasonal fruits, vegetables, good quality proteins, and healthy fats. Consider taking hair care supplements, like biotin, designed specifically for hair health. These supplements are available in various forms for easy consumption, even while traveling. 9. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for your hair. Keep yourself hydrated to maintain a hydrated scalp and prevent dry, brittle hair. Hydration contributes to stronger hair and reduces overall damage. By following these simple tips, busy moms can prioritize hair care and keep their hair looking great despite their hectic schedules. Remember, taking care of your hair not only enhances appearance but also promotes overall hair health.